Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to Sheet Plastics. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of installing MagnetGlaze secondary glazing. MagnetGlaze uses a steel strip paired with a magnetic strip that adheres directly to the glazing sheet. This allows the glazing panel to be fixed and detached with minimal effort, and this means no need for experts. One of MagnetGlaze's standout features is ease of installation. The system is designed to be user-friendly. This is a budget-friendly method that significantly enhances insulation. Furthermore, by bolstering insulation and curbing further heating, MagnetGlaze contributes to a reduction in the carbon footprint. For optimal results, we recommend using glazing sheets of 2, 3 or 4 mm thickness. You'll find all the necessary components and sheets on our website, www.sheetplastics.co.uk. For this installation, you'll need the following tools: a tape measure, scissors or knife, a pen and paper, and the MagnetGlaze pack. To begin, ensure you have a mounting area of at least 20 mm on all sides of the window. It's essential to remember that MagnetGlaze cannot be used on external windows or windows that open. Start by measuring the height and width of your window recess. Then, add 25 mm to both measurements to determine the correct size for your window sheet. Calculate the total length of MagnetGlaze needed for the entire window. Once you know how much MagnetGlaze you need, visit www.sheetplastics.co.uk/secondary glazing kits and order the correct glaze and accessories kit. Once you receive your kit, use the wipes to clean the window and glazing before you install. Measure one side of the glazing and trim the necessary length of magnetic strip. Repeat this process for all sides of the sheet. Once complete, position the panel against the window, making sure even along all sides. Mark the perimeter of the glazing sheet on the window using a pencil. Next, measure, cut and tape just inside pencil marks. Adhere the magnet strip to the glazing panel. Your panel should now align perfectly with these markers. And this concludes our guide. Thanks for watching, and for more information, go to sheetplastics.co.uk.